Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to unlock the secrets of wealth and build your fortune, you're in the right place. Today, we'll dive into the essential concepts and principles of money that can set you on the path to financial success. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Understanding money. First things first, what is money? Money is not just paper or coins. It's a tool that facilitates trade and represents value. Understanding the nature of money is crucial. It can work for you or against you, depending on how you manage it. Remember, wealth isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep and grow. The importance of financial education. Now let's talk about financial education. Knowledge is power. The more you understand about investing, saving, and managing debt, the better decisions you'll make. Consider reading books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, or taking online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. Investing in your financial education is one of the best investments you can make. The power of saving. Next up is saving. The principle of saving is fundamental to building wealth. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Create an emergency fund to cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This will give you a safety net and prevent you from going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. Investing wisely. Now, let's move on to investing. The earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from compound interest. Consider diversifying your investments. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and even index funds can be great options. Remember, it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Building multiple income streams. Another crucial principle is building multiple streams of income. Relying solely on one source can be risky. Think about starting a side hustle or investing in passive income opportunities. This will not only increase your earnings, but also provide financial security. To wrap it up, remember these key principles. Understand money, invest in your financial education, save diligently, invest wisely, and build multiple income streams. If you start applying these concepts today, you'll be well on your way to building your fortune. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on financial success. Share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your favorite money principle? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.